welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, creamy spinach and egg recipe that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This creamy spinach and egg recipe, these are my few ingredients. I have salt and black pepper to taste, 3 garlic cloves, half an onion, 6 eggs or as many eggs as you want, marbled cheddar cheese, 3 cups of sour cream with no salt, and of course, 2 bunches of spinach. This is everything you need to make this amazing and delicious recipe. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready the onion. I am going to slice and dice very small the onion, and I am going to continue with the 3 garlic cloves. Dice them really small so that it releases all those amazing and delicious flavor. I have the cheese here, marbled cheese, cheddar and mozzarella cheese, and I'm just going to slice really nice and thin. Remember, be generous with your cheese. Of course, I have my spinach already disinfected, rinsed very well, and now I am ready to just chop away. You really want to chop away. It seems like if it's too much, but believe me, it's going to reduce. I have my eggs in boiling water. I started by first boiling the water and then adding the eggs so that it's very easy to remove the skin. After you add the eggs to the boiling water, 15 minutes, and then your eggs will be perfectly cooked. And it would be very easy to remove the skin. 2 cups of sour cream, half a bar of cheese, and 2 bunches of cilantro. I'm adding vegetable oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm adding the garlic to infuse the oil. Now I'm adding the onion. I just want to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's translucent. And it's already getting nice and soft and getting infused with the garlic. Look how easy it is to make this healthy and delicious spinach recipe. Look at this. Well, now I am ready to start adding the sour cream. I want to make sure that the sour cream really dissolves right on top of the onion and garlic and incorporate it really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. Incorporate it really good. I want to make sure that everything has really infused. Now I am ready to add the spinach. I know it looks a lot, there's a lot of spinach in here, but once it starts cooking down, it's going to reduce. Once it reduces, I am going to add the egg on the top. I'm going to cover each egg with the cheese, and then I am just going to cover it and turn off the stove. The cheese is going to melt perfectly, and this is going to come out amazing, beautiful family. Look at this. Still nice and bubbly, nice and cheesy. And now I am ready to prepare my plate. I am going to enjoy it with this amazing and delicious garlic rice that you already have on my channel. Look how beautiful this looks. Healthy, delicious, and remember, with that pinch of of love, everything comes out amazing. And here, this is the plate for the presentation. So I'm adding my egg, adding all that creamy and delicious spinach. Look how amazing this looks. And now this is my plate. I have my garlic rice and I'm adding some of this delicious spinach and egg. I am ready to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in a bit. I am done with these delicious and creamy spinach and egg cheese. Look at this. Let's taste this amazing recipe. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. Amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing creamy spinach, egg, and cheese recipe that I know you guys are really going to love. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing creamy spinach, egg, and cheese recipe. I combined it with the garlic rice that you already have on my channel. This is just perfection made at home. See you soon. Bye-bye.